The U.S. government has ordered a wide range of companies to stop shipping goods to China without a license and has revoked some existing licenses, according to 3 sources familiar with the matter. The restrictions, confirmed through letters sent by the Department of Commerce in recent days, target key products like electronic design automation, EDA software, chemicals for semiconductors, machine tools, butane, ethane, and aviation equipment. 2 sources said EDA software makers, including Cadence, Synopsys, and Siemens EDA, were told last Friday that they now need licenses to ship to Chinese customers. Commerce will review those licenses on a case-by-case basis, indicating it's not a blanket ban. While the White House has stayed silent so far, the Commerce Department stated it's reviewing exports of strategic importance to China and, in some cases, suspending or tightening export licenses. The move could strain U.S.-China relations further, with one source describing it as an effort to hit choke points in China's tech supply chain. Shares of Cadence fell 10.7%, and Synopsys dropped 9.6% on the news. Siemens said it is still assessing the impact. However, Synopsys CEO Sassine Ghazi told analysts that the company hasn't received any formal notification from the Commerce Department. After markets closed, Synopsys reaffirmed its 2025 revenue forecast, prompting shares of both Synopsys and Cadence to bounce back slightly. China's foreign ministry responded by accusing Washington of weaponizing tech and trade to suppress China, but insisted the country's technological growth cannot be stopped by sanctions or pressure. The new restrictions could significantly disrupt Chinese access to leading EDA tools. State news agency Xinhua previously reported that Synopsys, Cadence, and Siemens control more than 70% of the Chinese market. Major Chinese chip design firms like Bright Semiconductor, Zhuhai DLE, and VeriSilicon are known users of these tools. Despite the announcement, 3 sources in the EDA industry said business in China remains largely unchanged for now as companies wait for clarification. Nori Chiu, investment director at White Oak Capital Partners, downplayed the move's effectiveness. This will only accelerate China's self-reliance, he said, adding that pirated EDA tools are widespread. He also noted that Chinese alternatives like Empyrean Technology and Primarius Technologies saw their shares jump 17% and 20% respectively after the news. In 2023, Huawei said it had already developed its own EDA tools, capable of handling chip designs at 14 nanometers or more advanced nodes, a workaround after being cut off from U.S. suppliers in 2019. Former Commerce Department officials said restrictions like this had been debated since the Trump era, but were once deemed too aggressive. Now the Biden administration appears to be drawing that red line, potentially hitting companies like Synopsys and Cadence, which derive 12 to 16% of their revenue from China. They are the true choke point, said a former official.